We're out again today, walking another dog. You might remember him. His name is Remy. And yeah, you're gonna go with us on his walk. He's moving decently fast. And yeah, we're just trying to enjoy this nice area. It's pretty nice out, but it's still a bit cloudy. Okay, come join us in our walk. Oh, you're such a good boy. Such a good boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go, Remy. Oh, come on. Let's go back to our walk. Snake. Let's see if it's alive. Oh, it is definitely alive. I don't know if you guys see its tongue. Okay, we're gonna just... Don't mind us. Here.